The boat, adrift. No fuel, no food, no drink, no light, no radio. Nobody knows where they are now, swallowed by nightfall. Black sky, black boat, black water, black waves, black clouds. Eyes stare, hearts beat. A toddler cries out for the water which isn't there. His mother weeps silently and holds him tighter in her arms. The night drifts on. They stand, they sit, they lie. They do not speak. They scream in silence. Their elusive dreams of work, of home, dissolve into black waves, black air. An old man dies in the front of the boat, just like a flame without oxygen ceases to exist, just stops, departs, gives up the ghost, expires, is gone. And then a hum, a light, a blacker shape, a ship, grows bigger, nearer, louder, lighter, and appears as if by magic on their starboard side. They wave, they shout, they laugh, they scream, they're saved. They think, and then the ship sails on, straight past, no sign, no help, no voice. It can't be possible, and yet it's happening. The boat drifts on. Dawn breaks. Sun rises. Clouds disperse. They drop the corpses into the ocean. Cuddle their children. Stare out at the endless horizon. They pray, for now they know the truth. They're on the map. People know where they are, but they won't come to help. Not lost, abandoned, left to drift and die, or sink. And then seawater seeps, then swells, then floods the boat. Parched, starving people don't take long to drown. And each imagined future sinks forever without trace. They're on the TV news. 90 drowned refugees. Between the petrol price rise and the football scores. When, where, not who, not why. Do you know? Do you care?